Today we are unboxing our Vicrez Performance Air Struts kit. This one right here is for the Ford Mustang. First thing we're taking out is the front air struts and bags. This product also comes with 2 new sway bar end links. Now we are taking out the rear air struts, which are visibly smaller than the front air struts. Next are the airbags for the rear air struts. These will sit parallel with the vehicle's rear axle. Lastly, we have the tool bag. This includes spanner wrenches, as well as knobs to adjust damping, and all the hardware needed to complete the installation.